Here's a challenge. The next time you finish using a single-use plastic, ask yourself, where is this going?
When you dispose of a plastic bag, bottle, or container, there is no real away.
12 million tons of plastics are poured into the ocean every year, and unfortunately, in Puerto Rico, there's hardly any recycling taking place.
The result is a significant increase in waste production and irreversible damage to the planet.
Earth has become a waste accumulation center for food, paper, and plastic, which cannot be degraded at the same rate as it is built up.
Plastic constitutes 80% of the marine debris, which are shredded to even smaller pieces called microplastic. We consume around 70,000 particles of microplastics a year that has been found in our blood and lungs, poisoning our entire body. And not only our body, the world is agonizing from food waste accumulation, which has risen to a total of 1.3 billion tons a year, emitting 3.3 billion tons of carbon dioxide to our atmosphere. Hasn't it suffered enough?
We are the source of this pollutant. We have the power to prevent it. That is why we took action, developing a sustainable and innovative enterprise to face this environmental crisis.
Biosense. Globally, replacing just 20% of single-use plastic with a reusable alternative means a potential economic opportunity of $10 billion.
Biosense is our solution, a social enterprise created to produce and sell paper or fruit waste bioplastics.
By reducing food, paper, and plastic, our goal is to help eliminate plastic waste and pollution, offering a significant reduction in greenhouse gas emissions and their harmful effects.
Looking forward, we aim to move from single-use to reuse, raising awareness about the impact of human activity on the ecosystem, tackling global goals 3, 12, and 13.
As a business, Biosense finds itself in a fruitful position as the bioplastic market continues to grow to almost $44 billion this year. By just aspiring to less than 1% of this market, we can generate $440,000 annually.
Thanks to the capabilities of the STEM students within our team, we started the research on the microplastics within our oceans in 2020. In addition, we analyzed food waste to be used as the main component in the bioplastic solution.
We invested over 530 hours on our campus lab to develop and improve a fruit-based bioplastic method, making a flexible, tear-resistant, and reusable solution.
Biosense made a groundbreaking achievement and ended up at this stage by prototyping 2 types of bioplastics, a fruit-based and a paper-based.
This milestone defines our first major product, reusable bags. The next phase includes the testing of their durability, strength, and environmental effects.
In addition, our bioplastics have a shorter degradation time in contrast to petroleum-based plastics, ranging from 3 months to a year, depending on the exposed ecological conditions. An excellent substitute for plastic bags, holding up to 9 pounds.
As a strategy to better our product, we are on a concept testing stage, where we have as a primary goal to present people with an ecological and sustainable idea.
We aim to have honest feedback on the use, strength, and capabilities of our product, helping us have a better understanding of the potential uses of our bag in order to define our initial steps in the introduction of the market.
In this day and age, companies are still choosing to make something to be used just once from a material that will last forever.
Cheap, sterile, and convenient, they changed our lives.
Yet, this wonder of technology got a little out of hand.
But what can we do?
We can make a choice.
A plastic-free choice.
For a safer and cleaner future. Don't just choose common sense, choose Biosense.